Welcome back, food lovers. I'm Adnana and today's recipe is about shrimps. I will make shrimp quesadillas, a simple and delicious way to enjoy shrimps. First thing first, we will prepare the seasoning for our shrimps. Mix a quarter of a teaspoon for the following: paprika, basil, granulated onion, garlic powder, a pinch of salt and black pepper. Stir until well combined. Pour 1 tablespoon of lemon juice over the deveined shrimps and stir. Cut 1 red pepper into slices as it should be fried together with the shrimps. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet and add the red pepper slices. Cook for 1 minute or until tender. Add the shrimps and the seasoning and cook for another 1 or 2 minutes or until shrimps begin to turn pink. For an extra flavor, add 1 tablespoon of white wine and cook until evaporated for about 1 minute. Add another 1 tablespoon of white wine and stir well. As you may see, both red pepper and the shrimps are ready to be used in our quesadillas. Brush one side of the tortilla with some olive oil and place the oiled side down onto a plate. Add the cooked shrimps and red pepper, some fresh parsley, and 100 grams grated cheese. I used 100 grams grated cheese for 2 quesadillas, so 50 grams per each one. The ingredients are for 2 quesadillas. Fold the tortilla in half. Place it on the preheated skillet or grill and cook it for 2 minutes on each side. Using a wooden spoon, press a little bit to make sure the cheese is completely melted. I hope you will try this recipe and don't forget to enjoy life and good food. With love, Adnana.